Today, we're taking a look at the RedRock Freedom Panel Storage Bag designed to fit the 2007 and newer Jeep Wrangler JK and JLs. This is going to be a perfect option for Jeep owners who want to protect and store their Freedom panels securely when they get removed, ensuring they stay in great condition while freeing up some space in your Jeep. The RedRock Freedom Panel Storage Bag is a convenient and protective solution to safely store your Jeep's Freedom panels. It features a padded interior to prevent scratches and damage during transport or storage. This soft inner lining and protective divider keep the panels separated to avoid scuffing each other and potential wear. The bag is designed with an easy-to-use zipper closure that keeps your panel secure while making access simple. It also is going to feature these durable carrying handles for added portability, allowing you to take your panels wherever you need to without hassle. The bag is custom fitted for the Freedom panels, ensuring a snug and reliable fit. This bag is crafted from heavy-duty black vinyl materials, and the storage bag is built to withstand regular use and provide long-lasting protection for your panels. The exterior features this durable fabric that resists wear and tear, while the padded interior ensures the panels are shielded from impacts. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store when not in use, taking up minimal space around your Jeep or in the garage. Now, as far as pricing goes on this RedRock Freedom Panel Storage Bag, it's going to come in right around that mid $100 price range, offering an affordable yet highly secure solution to protect your Jeep's Freedom panels. Installation on this one is super simple. You just open her up, load in your Freedom panels when you take them off your Wrangler, zip it up, and you're good to go. So on our difficulty meter, we're giving this one a 1 out of 3 wrenches, and it should only take you about 5 minutes to safely store your Freedom panels. Now, let's see exactly how these work with an install video from one of our ExtremeTerrain.com customers.
It came in the box and just in a bag, pretty easy. It's just a big bag with a nice partition zipper area. Both panels fit inside. I'm going to put the first one in. They say to put it in with this side facing the inside, so if it's on the outside of your vehicle, then this is going to face into the inside. Slide that in and stand it up. Have it help me. Get that in there. Alright, that one's in. And then you put the other one in. I put the partition felt in the middle, then put that down, and then slide the other one in again. This side facing the inside of the bag. Because the bag does have a side, as I'll show you after I put it in, that definitely is for the way that the panels are designed. There we go. They're both in. As you can see, you got a nice, I don't know if you can see it, let me see. Partitions right in the middle, protecting them from hitting each other. Zip the bag up. And they're safely protected.
All right, that's going to wrap up our review and install of the RedRock Freedom Panel Storage Bag for the 2007 and newer Wrangler JK and JLs. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.